Thank you for choosing Ship from Toronto Sneeze Guard. This video will show you how to properly install our products. Open the box, you will find one main panel, two supporting legs, two sticky stabilizers, and two social distancing floor stickers. First, carefully peel off the protective film on the acrylic boards. Hold up the front board with two hands in the middle part. Please note, never lift the front board on these bottom corners, it can easily be cracked. We suggest that you have someone beside to assist during assembly. After holding up the main panel, slide the supporting legs under it. Peel off the film on the adhesive side before placing the stabilizers. Press the stabilizer and push it to make sure it's stable. Thanks for watching. Take care and be safe. Although our products are designed with all safety concerns in mind, we shall not bear any responsibility for any potential injuries and/or damages that may be caused by usage of our products for any reason. Please use at your own risk. If you have any safety concerns, please return the products, Sneeze Guard and Floor Graphics. We will fully refund your purchase.